These square little books from our friends at Hunkydory have become so very, very popular. We have these 3 for our Christmas season: Winter Wishes, Snow Adorable, and Christmas Greetings. Now, each of them is really thick, as you can see. There are 150 sheets in every single book, and they are padded at the top, so it makes them really easy to pull these out. Now, let's look at Snow Adorable. And as you can see, they are really muted back colors, more pastel. They're single-sided. And because you get 6 of every single sheet, there's lots of things that you can do with it. You may decide that, oh, you would like to take this little bear, put it on the front of a card, and then maybe cut out another one and foam tape it on top. Maybe do the same thing with that little bird to give a little dimension. Lots of ideas with these. Just charming artwork, I think you'll agree. And again, they are all the same size. There are some cutouts in there, and so that just makes it nicer. And then more cutouts too, and even more. Then you've got some scenes that you can build with these cutouts, so that would be fun. As you can see, just a variety. I think that little bear and the deer tend to go through many of these. And a couple more. Okay. And then you've got, well, there's one sheet of just a background. And again, you can add those cutouts inside this one too. And 2 more. Count up to 25. That's what we have, every single one of them, in this little book, a square little book of Snow Adorable.